Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through a quick 5-minute yoga routine that will bring peace and calm to your morning. Perfect for those busy days when you need a little zen before you tackle your to-do list. Alright, let's get started. Find a comfortable spot where you can stretch out. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. Feel the ground supporting you. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension you're holding on to. Now let's move into our first pose, child's pose. Kneel down, bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply here. This pose is excellent for grounding yourself and calming the mind. Next, we'll transition to cat-cow pose. Come onto all fours with your shoulders over your wrists and hips over your knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone towards the sky. This is your cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly in. This is your cat pose. Move between these two poses with your breath. This gentle flow will awaken your spine and energize your body. Now let's find our way to downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, and straighten your legs as much as you comfortably can. Press into your palms and feel the stretch along your spine and legs. If this is too intense, you can keep a slight bend in your knees. Take a few deep breaths here. From downward dog, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Place your hands on either side of your front foot and allow your hips to sink towards the mat. Feel the stretch in your hips and thighs. Hold here for a moment, then switch sides. Finally, let's come to a seated position for a brief meditation. Cross your legs, sit tall, and rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few moments to notice your breath. Inhale peace and exhale any stress or worry. And there you have it, a simple, calming yoga routine to start your day. Remember, just a few minutes of mindful movement can make a big difference in how you feel. If you enjoyed this practice, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more yoga and wellness content. Thank you for joining me today. Have a peaceful and wonderful day.